Thank you for tuning in to the market update with Russell Calkins for this July 30th, 2018, currently 3:44 p.m. Arizona time. For those who followed my gold recommendation yesterday to buy the gold at $12.12, the low today was $12.18, so we did not hit our price. So please keep that trade, which was Friday's report, on file, or bookmark that video. By the way, the last 30, 40, 50 recommendations ever since I started doing this, every single one of them has made money. So if you guys want to paper trade and check these out, do so. You can paper trade for free. Once you see that these recommendations are doing well for you, then you can go ahead and put real money in it. For the seasoned people, I'm sure you have your own trading strategy. If you're not doing so well in your trading strategy, pay attention, if you would, to these recommendations. Follow along with your normal strategies and see if you might want to incorporate some of these strategies into your trading. Now, these are simple strategies for basically options traders that buy calls and buy puts, and then simply sell the call or sell the put. Nothing complex about my trading. We can get complex if you have complex questions for me, but generally speaking, let's stay with the simplistic formulas for educational purposes. You can also email me at russell@swcgold.com with any questions, and I can be more elaborate, or we can talk on the phone, we can chat, we can do all sorts of things, all right? So if it does not hit my recommendation, don't get in it. That's my advice to you. So gold hit 218 for the low today. Wait till it hits 212. Your study indicators should be maxed out at that point on the downside. In other words, significantly oversold on the daily chart. We're using the daily chart as an example of the way I do it. I am a position trader. Okay, I've explained this many times before, but basically a position trader will hold a trade for 1 week to 3 weeks, that sort of thing. That is a position trader. These trades have been working out much faster than that, but I would use a strategy of, between 1 and 3 weeks, and in some cases a little longer. All right. So today we'll be covering the United States sugar market, number 11. And currently sugar closed at $10.82 a pound, or excuse me, 10.82 cents a pound. So that's 10 cents a pound, almost 11 cents a pound, okay? Sugar contracts are 112,000 pounds, so every penny is $1,120. All right, so you want to be a buyer on sugar on the daily chart. We're using the fast and slow stochastics. To give you an idea where they're at, your fast stochastic is at 3.17. Remember, 0 is about as low as you can get. And your slow stochastics are at 12.0. And this is on a scale from 1 to 100. So as you can clearly see, sugar is significantly oversold. You want to be a buyer on United States sugar, number 11 on the daily contract, your most active month, of course. Always, when I give you recommendations, it's the most active month. Very important. That's new information for you, okay? And you want to be a buyer at 10.77 cents per pound. You want to be a seller at 11.60 cents per pound. And of course, as always, past performance never guarantees future profits. Thank you for tuning in to the Market Update with Russell Calkins. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for a brand new market, unless sugar stays down at these areas or gold stays down in these low areas. We may cover both of these if it triggers both buys. And remember, I divide this out into 4 buys if we're fortunate enough to get that, or 4 sells. If you're straight up doing futures markets, you can either buy or sell. In the options market, I'll either buy it and I'll get out by selling it, So a 4-part strategy. You take the risk capital that you can afford to lose and you divide it by 4. All right. and then you invest going against you, because remember, this is a contrary trading advice. In other words, when everybody's selling something, I'm looking for a reason to buy it. When everybody's buying something, I'm looking for a reason to sell it or stay on the sidelines, as long as the steady indicators are maxed out. In this case, sugar truly is. You've only got, right now it's at 10.82, and 10.77 is our buy. And may God bless you.